Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing another polygel set, but this won't be the lazy girl method. I'll be applying the polygel as if I'm applying acrylics. So if you're interested in watching how I created the beautiful set you saw in the intro, kindly keep watching. The first thing I applied on the nails was a primer. Now I'm applying the base coat. Without the base coat, the polygel won't stick or won't adhere properly to these nails. After applying the gel base coat, I'll cure for 30 seconds. Then I'll start applying the polygel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what is on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. While you're subscribing, you can also turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll be using this pink glow in the dark polygel. Today is the last day of my 7 days upload challenge on YouTube. I'd like to thank everyone that has been watching from the beginning of my challenge, that is the 1st of February till now. Those that joined halfway and those that are just watching today, thank you all for your support. I appreciate it. God bless you. As always, I'm using my gel base coat as my slip solution, and I'm just patting the polygel in place. I'll pat it in place and bring it forward. One thing I like about working with polygel is the fact that you can work with it and arrange it till you get it into the appropriate place. Unlike acrylics, that you have to be very fast while you're working with it because it dries fast. I love working with polygel just because it is easy to work with. So whether it is the lazy girl method you're doing or this particular method I'm doing right now, any which way, it is easy to work with polygel. If you're interested in making your own nails for yourself, I'll advise you to go with polygel. Honestly, you can't go wrong with polygel application. Even the filing after application is very easy. Honestly, you will love working with polygel once you try it. So this my client wants a pink and a red theme, and I don't know how to go about that yet, but I'm sure I will give her something very good and nice. This particular polygel I'm using is thick. The SXC polygel is thick, so I'm just trying to do about 2 fingers before curing, as it does not run around. I'll be showing the application for just 3 fingers because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long.
Empire.
Type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. to my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them, say lie. No be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all of my money on you. I spend a couple million on you. I give you love until you say don't do, yeah. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my baby. Anytime when you need me, come through. My sare, wale. Waiting me that nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Nkan to bafe, loma get stuck on my lobe, ewo, body on jet. Ataro do mo ide pepe dem aha, toyi tomato, kosingo be, lepa jo pepe rempe jo wo ma se mi leche yeah.
Glitterspolish Empire.
I'll be using this spider gel from Valentine to do a spider web design on it. I've had this spider gel for like 2 years, but I don't usually use them. I'm being so careful so I don't overdo them. I think the first one I did on this finger was a little bit too much. I had to clean it off and start again. So that's why I'm being very careful. I'll be doing designs on these 4 fingers. On this index finger, I'll be doing like a snake skin or a crocodile skin design. I don't know which one, but I know I'll be doing a design on it. Now I'm applying my gel base coat, but I won't cure before I put the red gel polish on it. This is my first time of doing the snake or the crocodile skin design. I pray it turns out well. I think if you want a better outcome for this particular design, there's this blooming gel series that you're supposed to use. I don't have, so I have to make do with what I have. I'll be applying red foil on the remaining 2 fingernails. If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below. I'll be using this foil transfer glue by Full Beauty. Even though I don't like it, I don't have a choice. That's the only one I have, so I have to use it like that. Don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment. You can also share with anyone that might be interested in learning something new. After applying the transfer foil glue, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Then I'll come back to apply the foil on it.
Glitterspolish Empire.
Special type of feeling that I feel when I'm with you. Oh, do mommy anytime where I stay with you. I want your heart, your soul, and your whole body too. I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love. to my head, say make I deny you. I go tell them, say lie. No be lie, yeah. I fit to spend all my money on you. I spend a couple million on you.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button and also leave a comment. Till next time, bye.
Masare, wale. Waiting be that, nothing I can do for my baby, my shorty, oh Ricky, my baby, Uncle to buffet, y'all my get stuck on my love bed, ewo, body on jet, I tarot on my de pepe, them my heart, to my two, crossing go bail, le pa jo pepe, rempe jo, ma se mi leche, yeah.